In preparation for my trip to the Philippines next month, I decided to try some local Filipino food and baked goods here in Vancouver. I even ended up trying some Filipino food that I've never had before. But most importantly, I met some great people who I was able to speak Tagalog with, and their reactions were amazing. If you guys are interested in learning Tagalog yourself, stay tuned for an exciting announcement later in the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Whoa, it smells good in here. Ooh, fresh baked. Hi ate, kamusta ka na po?
Maganda pa rin.
Maganda pa rin? Ako pogi pa rin.
Sino may sabi?
Ako. Ako lang.
Ikaw lang?
Ako lang.
O sige, I believe you.
Bagong gupit at hindi pa ako gwapo. Anong nangyari?
Buhay pa yung barbero.
Buhay pa yung bobero? Oh, buhay pa. Hindi ako nagalit.
Hindi ka nagalit.
Ano po to ate?
Pandikoko.
Ano po yon?
May coconut sa loob.
Matamis.
Oh, kasi may sugar siya.
Okay. Tapos ano po to?
Spanish bread naman, may butter and sugar.
Butter and sugar.
Same na katulad sa Pilipinas na bakery. Ganyan yun.
Okay. Hindi pa ako nakapunta sa Pilipinas kaya hindi ko
Paano
alam.
ka natuto mag-Tagalog?
Dito lang. Dito
Sino
lang.
turo sa'yo?
Yung mga kaibigan ko.
Oh, ang galing mo matuto. Ang bilis
Yung
ha?
hindi mabilis, matagal.
Matagal?
Matagal. Kuya.
Ito lang?
Tapos pabili po ng dalawang Spanish bread. Gusto ko pong matikman.
Isang order. Isang order, 3 piraso.
Okay, edi tatlo na.
Oo nga, tama. O 6.99.
Sige, sa debit po ate.
Galing mo matuto ah.
Ano po?
Galing ka. Sige. Straight, fluent Tagalog.
Medyo, mas magaling ka pa, pero
Meron ka na, nakakapag-converse ka ng straight Tagalog.
I'm excited to announce that I'm creating a second beginner's Tagalog course. After the overwhelming support from my first course, I've decided to offer the next step for beginner learners to level up their Tagalog skills. In this course, you will master the basics of Tagalog one step at a time. I will teach you how to make requests, conjugate verbs, talk about the weather, your clothes, your job, describe the world around you, and so much more. I have put months of work into this project, making it my most in-depth course yet. I'm hoping to release this course very soon, so click the first link below to be notified as soon as it's available. Now, back to the video.
Magaling ka pa sa anak ko.
talaga ba?
Oo, kasi-
Ipinanganak pa siya dito.
Kasi lumaki dito, so ilang na sila mag-Tagalog.
Tama.
Pero nakakaintindi sila.
So Tagalog ba yung gamit mo sa bahay?
Oo,
Sa kanila?
kaya kasi kaibigan niya is puro mga ibang lahi na. So, sa school.
English sa school.
Oo.
Tagalog sa bahay.
Oo, naiintindihan. Kaya nila mag-Tagalog pero parang nahiya sila kasi iba yung accent.
Opo, opo,
Na
opo.
ano na siya.
Ako, kahit may accent ako, hindi ako nahihiya. Okay lang.
Diba? The more language you know, the better.
Opo, tama.
Go to the Philippines, di ka nila mabubuli.
May balak na ako sa May. Sa
Summer,
next month.
Mainit. Grabe, mainit. doon.
Talaga ba?
Talagang sobrang init.
Kailan dapat?
Christmas, December, November.
Ay, pero mahal yung ticket daw sa Christmas,
di
diba?
Maganda rin. Maganda naman ang summer yun.
Anong season ng May sa Pilipinas?
Summer.
Pag-init talaga yun.
Oo, mainit. Sobra, mainit.
So, yun.
Pero if you go to sa mga beach, okay lang.
Kasi alam mo yung sinabi nila sa akin na may dalawang season, tag-init, tag-ulan.
Oo.
Kaya dapat sa tag-init, hindi sa tag-ulan.
Oo. Kasi gusto ma-enjoy ang nature, go summer.
Okay.
Kaya lang, be prepared. It's very hot.
Ay, salamat ate. Maraming salamat ha. Ingat kayo.
Mag-enjoy ka lang ha.
Okay, salamat ate.
Bye.
So, solo venden paquetes de 3,
Oh,
no de 2. ¿Vamos a dejar los dos? You want some bread? And here's a Coca-Cola. All right, enjoy.
Wait. Try it, baby. It's delicious. Yum. I love it. You know, like with coffee and milk? Ooh. Quiero comprar más.
Eso es parecido a los pasteles colombianos. Hey. How are you guys? Good, how are you? We've come to check out some Filipino pastries.
Pastries?
Or whatever you guys got here. I don't know.
Pastries, I would recommend some of the hopia down here.
Okay.
Some of the buko pie, egg pie.
Buko pie that's like coconut?
Yeah, buko pie is just down there.
Ah.
And the egg pie is right beside it.
What about the mamon? What's that?
The mamon is kind of like a sponge cake.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and then you have your different kinds of flavor, like the mamon ubing. You have the mamon mocha, the mamon special. The
Yeah.
special is pretty sweet, especially with the cheese.
You're a good salesman. You know your stuff. Are you Filipino?
Yeah, but I'm born and raised here.
Ah, okay. Do you speak Tagalog?
Nah, I need to learn.
Nakakaintindi ka ba? You understand it?
No.
No?
I'm very far behind in Tagalog. Yeah,
That's okay. So you were raised here.
I was born and raised here. Yeah.
Where are your parents from?
I think my mom is from Visaya, or that might be my dad. And then I think my mom is from, I think, one of the islands, maybe. I don't know.
Okay. Well, the Visayas are islands, right at the bottom, like Cebu and all that.
Yeah.
I think I want to try one of the mamons.
Which one would you like?
I'll do the mocha. Maybe we'll do a classic one as well, actually.
One classic as well?
Yeah, one mocha, one classic.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. This was a classic mamon.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh, yummy.
Mmm.
So soft. No, it's
That's
muy
really
dulce.
good. No, no tan dulce.
I think it's perfect.
Kuya, pwede ba kaming umupo sa ibang kamesa?
Tagalog. Sige, lipat kayo kaya. Lipat kayo.
YouTuber ako. Gawa ko lang ng video.
Okay, go. Go
Yeah,
for it.
okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay, salamat ha. Hindi naman ako sure.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Ayoko naman ng masyadong maghigat kasi kakakain ko lang.
Okay.
Ano pong recommendation mo na mas maliit ng konti?
Go for the appetizer.
Appetizer? Yung side dishes dito? Okay, anong paborito mo dito?
Dito ka dyan.
Opo.
Siyempre dyan.
Dynamite. Ano po yung parang lumpiang manghang?
Yeah. So, ano ba Tagalog?
Dito.
Nag-aaral ka dito.
Nag-aral ako dito. O nag-aral na parang nagsanay lang. Lagi akong nakikipag-usap sa mga Pilipino dito. Kaya,
Ang tapas ng Tagalog.
ay, isa pa lang. Sakto lang. Hindi masyado. Taga saan ka sa Pinas?
Bulacan.
Bulacan. Bulacan yung. May ibang salita sa Bulacan.
Tagalog lang.
Tagalog talaga. Pero may maiba kayong ginagamit na salita. O wala. Like deeper words. Mas malalim talaga daw. Parang, anong yung natutunan ko? Mag-urong.
Mag-urong. There you go. Wash the dishes.
Yeah, hugas ng tigan, di ba? Mahirap sa akin maintindihan yung malalim na salita.
Good.
Salamat.
That's just, you know,
No.
understand?
Sometimes, because some of the words are very similar to Spanish.
Oh, you're Spanish?
Yeah.
From Colombia.
I'm from Colombia. Oh, ¿cómo está? Yeah.
Hablas español? Hablas español?
Don't. That's the only one.
That's okay.
Buenos dias, buenos.
Oh, yeah, buenos dias. Good.
Okay, edi pabilito.
So,
Ilan dapat?
I guess what is the spicy?
Ay,
I can eat it spicy.
pero para sa kanya, gusto niya yung pork skewer sa
Yeah,
tito, yung
yeah.
pork skewer.
First here.
Tapos yung spring roll, hindi ko alam kung dapat tayo.
Is this long? You want to share one for now, or you want to share two?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's kind of big.
Okay.
Alright.
Tapos tubig mo lang. Tubig lang. Yan lang.
You know?
Okay. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Anong pangalan mo?
Jolo.
Jolo?
Sigaw.
Okay. Tapos Jared.
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 Ako si Nico.
Nicole. Jared.
Natututo siya. Salamat.
You
Okay.
guys mentioned you have a YouTube
Yeah.
channel?
Jared Hartman yung pangalan. Pwede kong sulatan yun kung gusto mo.
Awesome.
Salamat.
Ooh, thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Cubiertos. Siete cubiertos.
Cubiertos. Eso se dice también. Cubiertos.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
It says cheese in it.
Oh,
That's really good.
that looks good. Maybe get a grab.
That's it. It looks awesome.
It's called putok batok.
Putok batok?
Have you heard?
No.
No.
Never heard of putok?
No, never heard of it.
So it's like
Para sa mga party ba yun?
yeah. I
Parang-
mean, like the term is like how do you know?
Parang halo-halo ng marami ibang pakain.
So this gives like a high blood, like high cholesterol. That's why it's called
High
putok
cholesterol.
Oh, okay.
Parang ano yun, sisig,
batok. Sisig, that's got sisig.
lechon kawali,
This crispy pata,
hipon,
hipon, chicken skin,
chicharon.
chicharon, that's chicken chicharon, liampo, grilled pork belly,
Okay.
and the pork intestine.
Oh, that looks
Astig,
good.
astig. Galing nyo, galing. Magbabayad po ako dito, ate? Okay. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkain. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat din.
Never ko natikman yung lumpiang maanghang. Ganon, masarap.
Dynamite.
Dynamite yon.
Okay.
Masarap.
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 Yun ang masarap eh.
Ah.
Natututo na siya.
Are you half Filipino?
Hindi po, Canadian talaga.
Oo, paano ka natutong mag-Tagalog?
Sa mga kaibigan ko dito, mga tropang Pinoy.
Galing mo na mag-Tagalog ah.
Ay, salamat po. Mas magaling ka pa.
Sila lang nagturo sa'yo?
Opo, mga kaibigan. Taga Bulacan ka po rin?
Yeah. Mag-anak lang kami dito.
Ah, okay. Yung family business.
Oh, that's
My
great.
son and my husband.
Ah, okay. Yung buong pamilya.
Nakita ka na yung YouTube mo.
Ay, talaga?
What did you do?
Prank ba yun? Hindi ko alam.
I mean,
Ah,
people would talk you all this big
Yeah, yeah.
minsan gano'n. Opo, opo.
Galing eh.
Maraming salamat. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang galing, ang galing. Okay, sige. Ingat. Yeah, if you're looking for some Filipino food, check out Classic Inasal, 650 Broadway. It was really good, delicious, and affordable.
Masarap.
Check them out.